Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
With regard to the DJ Waras case, a suspect has been identified and he will be arrested. I'm sure before Monday we will have the suspect arrested. He's a known suspect. He will definitely, if not today, but over the weekend, that suspect will be arrested.
Lena inkulumo ayikhulume ngolwesihlanu langomhla ka-19 kuDisemba 2025 uGeneral Masemula wathi i-suspect bayi-identifyile. Ngakho i-suspect le izoboshwa before Monday uzobe seyaboshiwe ngoba i-suspect abayazi. Khumbula ukuthi uDJ Waras udutshulwe ngomhla ka-16. Ngomhla ka-19 amaphoyisa besesiwe nawo umsolo ukuthi ubani o-WDJ Waras. Ukhombisa ukuthi lolu daba amaphoyisa lisukumele alithathele phezulu ngoba efuna ukuthi kube khona ababoshwayo ngalolu daba. Ngesonto abezindaba bahlangane noGeneral Kekana, yena wakhuluma kanje.
Deputy, how far are you with the case of Waras? We know that you had said you'll make an arrest by Sunday or at most.
Yeah, you know, as positive people and the community coming on hand, they assisted us to ensure that the pictures and the identity of the suspect, the full name, surname, everything, are known to us. And the team is on the ground trying to locate him and his accomplices. And we hope, and we are still positive, that the sooner the better we locate where he's trying to hide, we'll be able to capture him.
Naka General Kekana beka qinisekisa ngempela ukuthi bamlocateile, bayamazi ukuthi ubani igama lakhe nesibongo, shuthi bane identity yakhe nepicture yakhe banayo. Abafuniseli abasho ukuthi sifuna umuntu omude omnyama onama-threats ongenawo ngoba siyazi ukuthi omunye umsolo kuthiwa unama-threats, kodwa labayazi ukuthi bafuna bani wakwabani ohlalaphi kunje bafuna bamlocate bamthole. Lana ubekhuluma ngesonto okuthenga national spokesperson wamaphoyisa okuBrigadier Athlenda Mathe wasazisa yena kanje.
DJ Waras, you will recall that the National Commissioner had committed that by Monday there would be a breakthrough in this particular case. We can confirm that Gauteng Police, led by Lieutenant General Mtombeni, they have taken in 2 people in for questioning. We have not yet arrested. It's questioning this morning, and they are being questioned by our detectives, and they will then provide us with an update on whether they will effect the arrest, the necessary arrests and so on. But for now, I can confirm that 2 people have been taken in for questioning on the DJ Waras case. So I think all credit, kudos must be given to Gauteng Police for working extra hard. They are under pressure, and I think they've put in and they've mobilized resources.
Khathe bekhuluma uBrigadier Athlenda Mathe bekusesekuseni la SCP update ukuthi cha akhona amadoda amabili athathiwe for questioning, futhi bekubalekile ukuthi ayihlukanise lento, ayicacise ukuthi lamadoda awachajiwe kodwa athathiwe ngokuthi ayohlonya imibuzo. Then ukuhamba kusuku bazobe sebechaza ukuthi bayawachaja lamadoda noma abawachaji. Kodwa bona bakhona abantu ababili ababathathile labantu laba amaphoyisa abasakhuluma nabo. Okuthe makuyoshona ilanga sathola nazi izindaba. uTumisole ubhale kanje: SAPS has arrested and detained 2 suspects at Morafe Hostel linked to the murder of DJ Waras. Suspects are detained at Johannesburg Central. Well done to everyone involved. At SA Police Service. Yusuf Abram G. Yenopaloti police have confirmed that 2 men will be charged for murder of DJ Waras and will appear in court on Wednesday. Njengoba ngike ngasho ekuqaleni ukuthi uBrigadier Adlenda Mathe bekasazisa ukuthi la madoda asathathiwe for ukuthi bayohlonywa imibuzo, kodwa bebengakatshajwa. Okusho ukuthi uma ngabe la madoda uma behlonywa imibuzo kutholakala ukuthi abahlangene naleli case bebezodedelwa. Kodwa manje amaphoyisa sewaqinisekisile ukuthi cha, labantu yibo ngempela labakade bebafuna, ngaleso sizathu sebebachajile. Ukubachaja-ke kusho lokhu ukuthatha iminwe, ukuthi sebeyithathile iminwe yabo bafundela amalungelo wabo, babathwesa-ke la macala. Ukuthi labantu bazohamba bayobingelela inkantolo ngoLwesithathu. Siyabonga kakhulu-ke emaphoyiseni ngomsebenzi abawenzile. Singifisa sengathi wonke ama-cases akhona eSouth Africa, amaphoyisa angamuva ngale speed amuve ngaso. Kuthi kwenzeka ubugebengu ngeyi-16, ngeyi-19 bebe sebeme-identifyile umuntu okuyena obulala omunye. Uma amaphoyisa angasebenza kanje, engakwenzi lokhu ngoba ku-DJ Warras public figure, celebrity, cause abantu ababizwa abangama-high profile. Even nomuntu nje ofana nami, sengathi amaphoyisa lokhu angakwenza. Ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba singabantu siphila, ukubaluleka kwethu akulingani. Kodwa sengathi bangayenza lento ukuze ubugebengu buzonqandeka ngoba abantu aba-affecteka everyday ngenxa yobugebengu nokubulawa kanje. Akubona labantu abangama-high profile, kodwa ku-affecteka abantu nje abafana nami, abangaziwa ndawo, abangadumile. Khona sekushayela ihlombe ukusebenza kwamaphoyisa ukuthi akwazi ukucrack-a le case elikanje kuze kube khona abantu ababoshwayo. Engingakutshela khona ngamaphoyisa ukuthi uma efuna ukusebenza ayasebenza, uma nje ezimisele ezitshelile wonke afuna ukusebenza ayasebenza, ikakhulukazi kulesigaba esikuso bekufuneka aprove point. So ama-resources wonke abanawo bawasebenzisile ukuze bathole labantu ukuthi baboshwe. Emavikini adlule ehostela yase-Salisville ePitori kwangena amadoda adubula abantu. Lawo madoda lawa adubula abantu ovele nje kwamemoto ethaveni adubula abantu. Ngathi kwashona 12 noma 13 angisakhumbuli kahle. Yashona lapho. Then abanye bajika esibhedlela. Amaphoyisa nalapho futhi akwazile ukubabopha labo bantu labo okuyibona okusolakala ukuthi yibona abadubula babulala abantu lapha ehostel. Bababophile. Ngizokucaphunela uBrigadier Adlenda Mathe asichazele ngalolu daba, kodwa nalokho kusakuprovela ukuthi amaphoyisa amayefuna ukusebenza ayasebenza futhi ayazithola igebengu. Ngicela ubone la.
Since the start of our safer festive operations, more than 113,000 suspects have been arrested for various crimes across the country, ranging from murder, rape, and so on. In the last 7 days, we've had more than 20,000 of those suspects arrested. We've also seized 156 unlicensed and illegal firearms. We take this opportunity as the SAPS on behalf of the National Commissioner to congratulate Gauteng Police. I think they've had a lot on their hands with the latest breakthroughs in major cases, starting off with the Salisville murders in which 25 people were shot, 12 were shot and killed, and 13 were taken to hospital for medical treatment. I can confirm that we have arrested one suspect in that particular case, a 32-year-old man. He is one of the 3 suspects that we had identified as persons of interest. Credit must be given to the Gauteng detectives, Gauteng tracking teams at Ridgeville Police Station, as well as the Limpopo tracking teams. Information was followed up on this particular suspect in which he left Johannesburg traveling over to Limpopo. and Gauteng Crime Intelligence shared that particular information with police officers in Limpopo. Limpopo tracking teams immediately mobilized their resources, and they identified the vehicle that this particular suspect was traveling in. They managed to corner the suspect at Shell Ultra City, just outside Polokwane, where he was found with an unlicensed firearm as well as 12 rounds of ammunition. So in Limpopo today, I can confirm before the Polokwane Magistrate Court that this particular suspect in the Salisville murder case, in the mass shooting, he is appearing before the Polokwane Magistrate Court on a charge of being in possession of unlawful firearms and as well as ammunition. Gauteng detectives are at Polokwane Magistrate Court, and after court proceedings he will then be taken to Pretoria, where he's expected to be formally charged with the 12 murders and 13 attempted murders that happened, I think, on the Saturday the 6th of December in Pretoria. We'd like to congratulate Gauteng Police for moving with speed. 2 weeks, I think it was enough to gather the necessary evidence, collect necessary data that is required to ensure that we effect the arrest. On the Salisville case, we are still searching for 2 other suspects. You will recall that the National Commissioner and the Provincial Commissioner had indicated that we have 3 persons of interest in the Salisville matter. So we have arrested one of them, a 32-year-old suspect, who will appear in Pretoria on charges of murder and attempted murder.
Aswashayela ihlomba amaphoyisa ase-Gauteng odetective laba abaphenyi ukuthi icase enzeke ngeyi-6 manje sebemtholile umuntu, noma ke abanye abasolwa ababili bengakababambi, kodwa nje lo msebenzi abawenzile ukuthi bam-identify wes baphinde bamthola nesibhamu. Ngiyazi ke ukuthi lesibhamu bazosithatha siye kwi-ballistic kuvuka amanye amacala futhi azovuka amacala. So umsebenzi omkhulu lo wenziwa amaphoyisa ucracker this case, ngoba ibuhlungu lento yenzeka ukuthi abantu bavele bame nje ethaveni badubula abantu nje kushone 12 yabantu, owes-12 washonela esibhedlela, 11 yaphelela khona lapho, 13 yalimala kabi. So siyabonga emaphoyiseni uma bebabambile, kodwa lokhu proof point lami ebengithi amaphoyisa uma ezimisele futhi efuna ukubopha abantu ayababopha, ayikho into ebavimbayo. Kodwa ukuthi kusuke konakalephi-ke bengasababophi, hayi angazi. Kodwa khona amaphoyisa uma ezimisele efuna ukubopha umuntu, hayi abathatha isikhathi, bayakwazi ukucollecta i-evidence, basebenze bababopha abantu. Yingakho ngithi sengathi le speed abahamba ngaso singenzeka kuwo wonke umuntu, singenzeki kulaba abadumile kuphela ngoba nakhona befuna ukuprove point, kodwa senzeke kuwo wonke umuntu. Kuyazi ukuthi kunemindeni engakaze yayithola iclosure ngoba amalungu omndeni wabo bayadutshulwa, noma abathandiweyo babo bayadutshulwa kule mpi zamatekisi. Akaze kwaboshwa inkaba, akaze kwaboshwa umuntu. Kodwa siyafisa le speed amaphoyisa asebenza ngaso sengathi angasebenza sona ucracker lawo makhesi alandelayo, baboshwa abantu. Inciphe lento ukuthi kusetshenzwa inkinga beyixazululwa ngesibhamu. Bazi abantu ukuthi wenza iphutha nje amaphoyisa azokubopha, futhi uma unenkinga azokudubula ufe. Nansi phela into esiyaziyo ngamaphoyisa ukuthi uma ungacooperate nawo uzophuma horizontally, awuzukuphuma kahle uzambele, uzophuma ku-crime scene zohamba horizontally, solele ngomqolo. Angibambe le video, ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngaluka lokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.